possibly eat with this tiny fork? No way. That's a giant-sized fork you've got there. And what do I have? Huh? That's it? One little piece of candy? Size doesn't really fit. Jeez, this is difficult. Why don't you just pick it up with your hands?
Oh.
Yes!
Good thinking. You're so smart, Susie. That's much easier. And what do you have? Ooh, the perfect size. Hey, mind giving me a hand with this? Happy to.
Okay!
Open up real wide, Susie. Swing and a miss. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
Ta-da! Wow!
What the heck?
Oh no!
Shoe fly, get out of here. Such a nuisance.
What?
Alrighty then, I'm gonna take care of this right now.
Oh no!
That was a direct hit. Who's up first? Who? Ooh, me. Let's see. Cute. I wonder where they grow such tiny watermelons.
What?
I hope it's good. Are you sure eating the rind was a good idea?
What?
Well, how is it? Pretty darn good. Show us what you have, Susie.
Yes!
The perfect portion once again. I love the juice the most, so I'll just go for that part. Wow, nice, Susie. Watch out, ladies. Great shot. 1, 2, 3. Time for some karate. Remind me not to mess with her. Hold your applause. I'm not done with this yet. Dangerous move. Yeah, and I think the watermelon beat her. Oh, well, that just means we can snag this.
Oh.
What, I get nothing?
What?
Oh.
This is terribly unfair. Maybe you'll have better luck next time. Ooh, and I got a little prize, too.
Awesome!
Boo!
Yes!
Bingo!
You celebrated too early.
Oh no!
I know how to turn this around.
Oh. Uh-huh.
What's she thought up? I'll just warm it all up. And my dessert is ready.
Wow!
Impressive, but you could have shared, you know.
Awesome!
I love chocolate sauce. What do I have inside? Oh, it's so cute.
Aww.
Oh, baby.
Where's your mama, little chickie? Whoa, there's your egg. Now that's huge. I need a serious tool for this. Here's its mom. I I think that chicken wants to steal my friend away, but I won't give him up for anything. You are just beautiful. Want a piece? No?
All right.
Then I'll eat it myself. Open up. No way this is my serving. Oh, yes, it is, Susie.
Okay.
All right, let's see if I can find it. Good thing I'm wearing glasses.
Wow.
A strawberry nose? I hope it's not edible.
Oh
Let's just move on to me. Ugh, this won't fill me up.
no.
I want more.
Oh.
Oh, forget it.
Susie, why not find out how good your nose tastes?
No.
Has hunger driven you totally insane?
Okay, here we go.
That's amazing. I want some of it.
Oh my God. Yes.
Back off! I'm thinking this strawberry could actually be bigger. Be careful, please. This is a disaster in the making. Just you watch. See? Told you.
Ice cream.
You guys okay? It's like we're sitting in a cloud.
Yes.
I love suckers. Hold it. Where's Susie? I'm right here.
Oh my God.
It's just hard to see me behind this. Oh man, I'll finish mine in a flash. See? What, you think you can finish that by yourself?
Okay.
So sweet. Maybe I should add some sour to it. Might as well bite into a lemon.
Yes.
Oh, that might have been a mistake. Oh, now this is totally inedible.
Oh my God.
High time I got started on this never-ending sucker. No way she can handle that on her own, but I'm ready to help. What the heck was that for?
What?
I didn't do anything. That's right, it was me. Bye-bye.
What?
Hello.
Helping friends is delicious work.
Oh my God.
Susie! Time for you to take a little quiet nap. And now you and I are finally alone, my sweet. Ugh, why do you get the biggest portion again? I'll be taking home the prize for finishing the fastest.
Oh.
I don't need these.
What?
Watch how it's done. You sure like to show off, Susie. But will you brag about this new hairdo? Looks great. Stop laughing at me and get to your noodles already.
Okay, here we go.
Whatever you say, Suze.
What? Oh my.
Who are you talking to over there?
Well, thank you very much.
What is that? I think she's finally lost it.
Aww.
Ladies, see you later. I've got places to be.
Oh.
Oh, come on.
What could be better than snacking in the bath?
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't mind getting in there either.
No!
I was just kidding, guys. Dig in. There's plenty to go around.
What did Sam get? Oh, it's Coke. That's great. What size do the others have? Oh, Quentin's got a huge bottle. Wednesday, what about you? The smallest bottle of all. That's okay. What are you laughing at? It's a Coke bottle the size of your brain. Enough. I've got to open it. And this will definitely help. Well, I was able to do that. Why isn't the Coke coming? Oh, it's liquid candy. Not bad. Okay, I'll eat it all. Is it really that good? I want to try it too! Only after I am done. I don't need this anymore. Sorry, Sam. I forgot you were here. Keep going. I will keep going. Okay, let's taste this. Oh, no way! Oh, it tastes like regular Coke. It actually is delicious. It's so good. It's like honey, but Coke flavored. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. Whoa. Ha! Yummy. Oh, it's over? Hey! Oh, let my hand go! Sam, only you can do that. Wednesday, you can smile. You imagined it. Well, how do I get rid of it? Okay, got it. Just want to make sure I clean it all. Your turn. Sam, you're so funny. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's giant. Wait, where's the candy? Whoa! It's too big. Wednesday, can you help me? Of course. I've already made sure you get your Coke candy. Oh! The fall wasn't soft. But it's very sweet. Wednesday, why are you standing over me? Wait! No! Oh, man! I'm gonna look like a chicken! I can never get rid of these feathers! Ugh, disgusting! Get over here! Actually, get away. Oh, that little Nutella. Sam, don't feel bad. Quentin, a whole jar of Nutella. Wednesday, that's a giant one. That's enough chocolate paste to last a year. Yeah, the guys are obviously jealous. No way. I got a great idea. I need to find out some data for it to work. Great. A couple more seconds. Done. I'm going to make a huge Nutella toast. And wash the jar. She's good. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, let's see this. Hand? You haven't seen anything. Moving on. I got a small one, but let's see how it tastes. Delicious. Oh, yeah. Not as small as I thought. Oh, is that it? Well, that was quick. Sam, I've never seen a jar this small. Better watch how I will eat Nutella. Let's open it. Oh, Wednesday! Oh, don't scare me. Yeah. How did you do that? Yeah. Hand, I need you. Thank you. Let's check it out. Nutella looks delicious. It's awesome! Let's get more! I would eat Nutella for breakfast, lunch, and dinner! It was unbelievably delicious. Is there anything left? Oh, Oh, I'm stuck! Guys, help me! Wednesday! What's your problem? Where are you running to? Oh, some help! It was that easy? Thanks, bro. I always needed help. Wednesday, I don't need your help. I'm fine. Oh, get the chainsaw away. What are you doing? While you were dealing with Nutella, I made an amazing modern-day invention. This machine will help me pour Nutella evenly on a toast. And, well, here's the moment. Oh, I've been waiting for it. My machine works. What? You made this yourself? Oh, cool and appetizing! Wow! If even a drop of my Nutella goes missing, you're in trouble. Delicious. This is what I wanted. Are you trying to spoil my appetite? Okay, you can have one. Thanks, Wednesday! Oh, yeah! Wow, what a small portion of spicy noodles. Quentin, no luck, but Wednesday has a medium portion. Although, she's not a fan. Sam, this is so huge! I can't believe it! Oh, it looks intimidating. Sam, you fell on my shoulder. I suggest you start, Quentin. Well, let's give it a try. I'm not much of a spicy eater, but there's not much of it. Oh no! It's so spicy! My mouth! Okay, let's do it all at once! Oh no! It's like having a fire in your mouth! Oh, it's gone. Who's next? Since Sam is still out, I can do it. I love spicy food. Been drinking milk with Tabasco, so I can handle it. Yeah, let's do some voodoo magic. I'm gonna need that. We're just getting started. Okay, that feels good inside. I think that's enough. Now, directing fire to the candles. Perfect. Now for the fun part, let's pour some water on Sam to get him to come to his senses. Whoa! Goodness! What's going on? Who poured so much water on me? Oh! Has it stopped? Why can't I remember anything? I'm soaking wet! Oh, am I the only one who hasn't eaten noodles? Okay, let's try it. An idea! I can eat noodles and immediately put out the fire in my mouth. Okay, I should try it. Is it actually that spicy? Oh, it is! Oh, great. Let's move on. Burning! Oh, where's water? Is it actually over? I'm going to burn! Oh no! Wow, what a bang! I hope Sam's okay. He's passed out again. Wednesday's sure to bring him back to his senses. Oh, what a cute little ice cream Wednesday got. That's lovely. What did the others get? Sam got a medium ice cream. And Quentin got a huge bucket of ice cream. I've never seen that before. Quentin, you've got to be careful. Wednesday's got the smallest bucket, so what? Oh, don't laugh. How silly they are. They don't know I've got a surprise for them. It's not a coffin for you. It holds some of my favorite goodies, like these great worms. They've been here for centuries, Quentin. Would you like to try one? I think you'll like it. Okay. Oh! Those are gummy worms! Awesome! I knew you'd love this. Now I need to decorate my strawberry ice cream. Right on top. Let's do a Worm's hairstyle and add some jelly beans as ice. Alright, a fun ice cream monster is done. I'm sorry, but you're delicious. Yummy. It's so good. I've got frosty breath.
Oh, it's cold! I'm sorry, Wednesday. You smell awfully cold. Okay, let's warm ourselves up. Where's my ice cream? It's so good! My strawberry ice cream is amazing! I want more and more! Oh yeah! The taste is just incredible!
Wednesday, are you sure Sam's okay?
Not so great, but I've finished everything.
It's even a little scary after that. Alright, I know how to eat ice cream and not get icy. I need to melt it completely. Okay, hair dryers will help me with that. Wow, this is delicious. I don't really need a straw. I'll just drink it from the bucket. Delicious! Why haven't I ever had ice cream like this? But I am a little dirty.
Are you sure it was a little dirty? But it was fun.